It's really handy. So, kahit saan ka pumunta, you can just carry this as your pouch. Like this.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
Hi guys, it's me again, Anika. I'm here today because I just wanna share to you another fashion blog, which is about my recent purchase. So this is it, guys, and I can't find this easily now since it's very hard to find this most sought after purse. And maybe they decided to discontinue this because lots of blogger really wants to have this because they find ways on how to convert this pouch into a shoulder bag or crossbody bag. So I want to share to you guys how to convert this into a shoulder bag or crossbody bag. Oh, by the way, this kind of Louis Vuitton Toiletry pouch, it comes with different sizes. So what I got is the 26, size 19 and 15. So yes, and definitely if you find this kind of toiletry bag, you will love it. So right now, I'm going to show you kung paano ko i-convert ang toiletry pouch na to into a shoulder bag. I ordered at etsy.com a toiletry 26 insert. So this is the toiletry 26 insert. So they have the same size. So, and it's so easy to put this insert into the toiletry pouch. So like this. Because you know guys, this insert toiletry 26 protect the lining inside of your toiletry and also to protect also the shape of your bag. So this is really a nice insert because it looks like an organizer, as you see here. If you want to convert your pouch into a shoulder bag and as well you want to protect it, so this is a must-have insert. So I'm going to show to you how I convert my Louis Vuitton pouch into a shoulder bag. Also, I ordered a gold chain from etsy.com. So this is $10 from etsy.com. So yes. So now I'm going to insert this toiletry insert to my Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch. So this is it, guys. As you see, you can really protect the lining of your bag because of this. So yes, so this is it, guys. And then inside it's like an organizer, so you can just easily put your stuff here and you can easily find as well. And yeah, so actually I saw this conversion organizer from other bloggers. So when I saw this insert organizer and I decided to purchase. Right now I'm going to put this chain here. And now guys, it looks like this. So this is so pretty and you can use this now as your body bag. So this is it, guys, and I'm just so happy that I finally had this Louis Vuitton Toiletry 26 because I really love having this kind of pouch. But for me, I prefer to use this as a pouch. So this is it, guys. So guys, this is how I converted my Toiletry 26 into a shoulder bag. So now guys, this one you can use this as your crossbody bag. And now I'm going to convert this into a shoulder bag. So using my other chain from my other bag, which is This bag is from Zara, so I'm just going to get this, and I'm going to put this on my toiletry pouch. So this is a gold chain as well. So I just need to remove this. So I'm just going to borrow my chain from Zara bag and put this here. I know you will love this, as you see that this kind of pouch, you can convert this into different kind of bag. You can, yes. So this is how it looks like now, and this time around it looks like a shoulder bag. So yes, actually you can explore this bag as well into a different kind of bag. It depends what kind of chain you want to use. So sometimes meron ako nakikita they put a leather kind of strap. So it depends on you guys, but for me, I just really love this chain, the small one. It's just like tiny chain. And so yes guys, that's it. So I guess you enjoy watching today, and as I explore my toiletry pouch and convert it to a shoulder bag and crossbody bag. So yeah, so it depends on your mood, if you want a shoulder bag or if you want a crossbody bag. And yes, so right now, since I'm going out, I'm going to the mall, I prefer to carry this just like this as a shoulder bag. This is it for today guys. So I hope you enjoy my video today, and I hope you will write your comment down below, and please continue to watch my vlog, and thank you for all your support. Again, see you on my next vlog. Bye.